Although it is winter, there are still a few jobs in the garden that can be done. Here are 12 jobs that you can do right now. Order or buy seeds and summer flowering bulbs. Summer flowering bulbs like dahlias are an excellent way to add color to your garden and extend the flowering season. You can buy them at a garden center or online at specialized nurseries. Make a list of all the plants that you want to grow. Check if your old seeds are expired and order or buy new seeds for the coming season. I'm reorganizing my vegetable garden and I'm planning on growing a lot of veg this year. Most of the seeds can be sown mid-March. Some need a bit of protection, but there are a few that you can start sowing right now, that I will show you in a minute. You can already start planting onion sets. You can plant them directly into the soil, but I want to make a few changes to my veg garden, so I prefer to plant them in these modules. This is a variety called Red Arrow. Planting is very easy, just push them into the soil with the pointy top facing upwards. I will transplant them later into my vegetable garden when my raised beds are finished. Now it is the time to prune autumn fruiting raspberries. There are two types of raspberries: summer fruiting that produces fruits on last year's growth, and autumn fruiting that produces fruits on this year's growth, which means that the growth of the autumn fruiting raspberries can be cut back right to the soil. In a few weeks, new growth will appear, and at the end of summer you can enjoy these wonderful berries. Most veg can be sown mid-March, but there are a few that you can start sowing right now, like lettuce, mitsuna, rocket and peas. I'm sowing rocket in this old wooden box. I've put a layer of anti-root fabric at the bottom to prevent the soil from falling out of the box. Fill it with potting compost. Add sand for drainage. Mix it all in. Sprinkle the seeds onto the compost. Cover with some soil. And don't forget to water the seeds. I will put them in my cold frame to give them a little bit of protection. As soon as the flower buds of the hellebores appear, it is time to cut back the old leaves. Hellebores are prone to a fungal disease, causing black spots on the leaves. By pruning the leaves, it won't spread onto the flowers and the new leaves. It also prevents the leaves from rubbing against the flowers and damaging them. Winter is the time to prune trees when they are dormant. There are exceptions, however, so be sure to check if the tree species you have can be pruned right now. I'm pruning the plane trees at the back of my garden. You can cut these back to a bud, but I prefer to leave a few buds in case of late frost. The smaller branches can be cut with a pair of secateurs. I use a foldable saw for the thicker branches. Winter is a good time to clean and sharpen your garden tools, so that they are ready to be used in the new gardening season. The dormant season is the best time to plant and transplant trees and shrubs. It also saves a lot of money when you buy trees with bare roots. They're a lot cheaper than the ones grown in pots. I'm digging up my cherry tree that has grown too big for my vegetable garden. For now I'm planting it in a pot, until I have decided where to plant it or give it to a friend. Birds can struggle to find food during winter, so help our feathered friends by feeding them. Not only is it a pleasure to watch them, they will also help you to get rid of pests like aphids, slugs and snails. If you haven't already removed the leaves from your garden, it is a good idea to make your own leaf mold. Just simply put them in a plastic bag. Make sure they are moist. Put a few holes at the bottom of the bag. Close it and put them away. After a year you will have a bag full of wonderful leaf mold. Check your plant supports and tree stakes. The bamboo frame is damaging the tree and the tree no longer needs the support, so I'm going to remove it. This year I'm going to reorganize my vegetable garden. I start by making a rough sketch of the garden and taking measurements for the raised beds that I want to make. Winter is the perfect time to do some building work in your garden. I want my raised beds to be ready before the new growing season starts. I hope these tips gave you some ideas of what you can be doing right now. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like or leave a comment and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Happy gardening!